This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the Google search bar. So it's sometimes you might accidentally delete this or remove it. All we have to do is hold down on the screen and we can go to where it says Widgets. And we can go on over to Google Chrome right here, our Google, and we can add Google search through here. So you can see Chrome search. Otherwise, I think there might be a widget specifically for Google if we scroll on down even further. We got Gemini, but here's Google. And then we can get Google search as well. So let's go to this one. And we should be able to add it to my home screen here. For some reason it didn't, so let's try it one more time. So let's go to Google. Go to Google search, hold down on it. And now we can just drag it to our home screen and drop it. And we have Google search back on our home screen. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.